Welcome to another video from the Healthy by Nature channel. Here you will find tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally. For that, just sign up. It won't cost more than a few seconds only. Also activate bell and you will be notified whenever we release a video. Leave your like and share with more people, so everyone will have access to more knowledge. Hello. In this video we will talk about a vegetable very rich in vitamins A, C and E, and phenolic compounds, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and camphorol, with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, spinach. Originally from Central Asia, it was first cultivated in Persia. It has spread to different regions of the world over the centuries and has become a popular vegetable in many cuisines. He also gained a lot of popularity with the design of Popeye, the sailor, where he became the character's source of strength and vigor. Spinach is an annual plant that belongs to the Amaranthaceae family. Its leaves are dark green, generally smooth, and have a soft texture. Can be grown in both hot and cold climates. It is known for its mild flavor and is very versatile in cooking, and can be consumed raw or cooked, in salads, soups, stir-fries and natural juices, making it an easy, cheap, and low-calorie option to enrich the diet. The ideal is to consume spinach with main meals, as the absorption of its antioxidants increases with the fat in the meal, normally found in meat and oils used in food preparation. The scientific name of spinach is Spinacea oleracea and it is an excellent source of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some of its medicinal properties include: rich in iron, spinach is known for its iron content, which is vital for the production of hemoglobin and prevention of anemia. Vitamins and minerals, it is a good source of vitamins A, C, K, folic acid, potassium and magnesium. Antioxidants, contains antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the eyes against damage caused by free radicals. Fiber, the fiber present in spinach helps with digestive health. The main health benefits of spinach are: eye health, the presence of lutein and zeaxanthin can help prevent age-related eye diseases. Additionally, spinach also contains high amounts of beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are important for helping maintain healthy eye cell membranes and preventing vision problems such as dry eyes, night blindness, or age-related decreased vision. Strengthening bones, spinach is rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, basic minerals that help strengthen, increase resistance and maintain bone health, which can help prevent diseases such as osteoporosis, osteopenia, or rickets. Blood pressure control, spinach contains large amounts of nitrates and potassium, substances that help improve the relaxation of blood vessels, facilitating blood circulation, thus helping to lower blood pressure, very useful for hypertensive patients. Cardiovascular health, the polyphenolic compounds found in spinach, such as vitamin C, lutein, quercetin, and camphorol, have powerful antioxidant effects that help reduce damage to blood vessel cells caused by oxidative stress, which can lead to thickening of artery walls. Therefore, spinach helps prevent and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart attack, or stroke. Improves brain function, spinach is rich in anti-inflammatories and antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein, which help prevent damage to nerve cells, keep the brain healthy, fight aging and help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Digestive health, fiber promotes intestinal health, preventing digestive problems. Spinach is low in calories, each 100 g of raw or cooked leaves contains around 23 calories, which can help with weight loss diets. Furthermore, fiber increases the feeling of satiety, helping to reduce hunger and lose weight. Healthy pregnancy, the folic acid in spinach is crucial for the healthy development of the fetus during pregnancy. Boosts the immune system, spinach is rich in nutrients such as vitamins A and C, which help to strengthen the immune system, improving the response of defense cells, necessary to prevent and fight infections. Slow down the aging process, because it is rich in beta-carotene, vitamins A, C and E, which are antioxidants. Spinach helps fight free radicals that cause skin aging. The vitamin C in spinach also stimulates collagen production in the skin, reducing sagging and the appearance of wrinkles, while vitamin A protects the skin from damage caused by the sun's ultraviolet rays. Be sure to read the video description where you can find materials with recipes and diets that will help you obtain essential information for better health and lifestyle. Remember that although spinach has many health benefits, diversifying your diet is key to ensuring a balanced nutrient intake. Spinach can be consumed raw, as long as it is properly sanitized, but it can also be consumed cooked or sautéed and added to recipes. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.